Hello, my name is Abigail Gambrill. For as long as I can remember, I have wanted to be a teacher. Every time I step into the classroom, my passion for working with children grows. I can't wait to teach, learn, and grow. So the two questions from the survey that I'm going to go over are number 5, and I do think the English language is declining. I feel as if it is not considered as important in today's classroom setting. I think texting is a huge factor in the declining of the English language. I remember in elementary school, I feel that grammar was prioritized, and then when I got into middle school and high school, it just kind of got pushed aside and not really focused on. And another question that stood out to me was number 6. It's the job of the English and language arts teachers to teach students correct English. I think that it is their job, but I do think that all educators, no matter what they teach, should be responsible for teaching and practicing correct English. I look forward to working with all of you all and meeting every one of you guys, and I hope everyone has a great semester. Thanks.